Hello, everybody. Andrea Mayeski here with Epicure. So it is almost the end of the year. How crazy is that? And I find around Christmas time, especially into the new year, I get a lot of questions of, people saying to me, I would like to start eating healthier. I would like to be healthier. I've heard about Epicure. Tell me more about this because I want to be able to make food at home, save a ton of money, and make food that's a lot healthier. Plus, why not get a discount on all of the food products I'm buying that I would have to buy anyway? So I say yes, Epicure is perfect for you. That's why I had signed up in the first place, because you literally get a 20% discount on everything, and you learn about new products first, which is pretty exciting, and it just makes you excited to cook again. You're more inspired to cook healthy food, and it's just so much easier. Our meal packages are pretty much make anything from raw to ready under 20 minutes. So it just makes sense to be a part of this amazing company for things you are going to buy anyway, right? If you're thinking about buying Epicure maybe once or twice a year, then it doesn't make sense to sign up as a consultant. But even having that said, I mean, our kit is so amazing anyway. So even if you sign up for our kit and then you don't buy anything for another year, well, that's okay because you have everything in the kit. But this, I would say that this video is more for people who are thinking, okay, how do I sell Epicure? How can you help me? So let me help you guys. So what's in your kit? So I'm just going to go down actually to what it looks like, because that's everybody's first question is, okay, seriously, what's in our kit? So if you are in Canada, you will get all of this for only $175 plus taxes, okay? Taxes and shipping. This is this is pretty much $500 worth of products. This kit is more amazing than the kit that I had actually purchased when I first signed up several years ago. Like, they just seem to be getting better and better. If you're in the US, it is only $150 plus $9.95 and taxes. And this is pretty much over $450 worth of stuff, you guys. So as I said before, if this kit looks amazing to you, but you're thinking, well, I don't really want to sell, that's okay. You do not have to. You will still get a 20% discount on your own orders throughout the entire year. But if you're looking at this saying, well, I would like to sell, because if you do sell, you will make a 20% commission on everything you sell. So if you want to share with your sister, mother, coworkers, this is a way to make some extra money. When I first started, I was making an extra $200 a month. That might not seem like a lot to some people, or it does seem like a lot to some people, right? But that had allowed us to paint our kitchen at the time. We had saved up the money to paint our kitchen, so we did that at the end of the year. We painted our kitchen, and then towards the end of the year too, I started making more, because I was actually selling a lot more, and then we were able to paint our entire house. So it's just sort of nice to have a goal in mind, if that makes sense. Thinking, okay, well, even if I just sell a little bit, I might make an extra $20 a week, maybe even $100 a week at some point, upwards to thousands. Like, that's totally up to you, and that could be somebody's side income. Or say, well, we would like to go on a Christmas holiday to Cuba, whatever. Save up for that. So this allows you to do that. But let me just move actually down to here. No, I'm going to move up here again. So if you are thinking about selling Epicure, they have all of this within your kit to help you get started. I didn't even use everything because they had so much. It's nice to know all about the compensation plan. The workbook, like I was so excited when I first signed up that I had read this from cover to the back because I was like, oh my God, I'm so excited. The business cards, awesome discount. This would be my favorite. So when you first sign up, you can actually tell people, hey, you guys, who wants to support me? And you will actually, for the first 3 months, 2 or 3 months, oh no, sorry, you guys, sorry. For your first month, you can tell people I have 12 certificates for who would like to support me on getting $40 worth of free stuff. How awesome is that, you guys? That's pretty awesome. Plus, if they book a cooking class with you, they will also get another $20. And a cooking class can be in person or online. A little secret for you guys, I am almost at the leadership level, and I have never held an in-person cooking class. They have all been online. So if you're thinking more online, I can help you, but you do make more money if you can hold cooking classes in person, because as soon as people actually see Epicure and taste it, they love it even more. So I'm not saying only do online classes like me, but if you're busy like me, then you might not have time to do in-person cooking classes. So I do help you with the online component as well. So let's move down to the let's cook part. So you're probably thinking, well, what is all of this cookware and yummy stuff that I'm seeing? So you get all of this, you guys, check it out. I love everything in here. I have literally tried everything from Epicure. You should see my kitchen, simply amazing. So you would want all of this. So either keep it for yourselves, or you can keep all of this to host your own cooking classes, either online or in person. The possibilities are endless, you guys. So does anybody have any questions though so far? Because there's more. So our kitchen tools within your kit is all, or are all of these, truly amazing. They have gone all out. I love everything. Like, I can't even tell you if I have a favorite because I do not. They are all truly amazing. Our multi-purpose steamer is definitely a huge, pretty much a huge seller every day. Like I probably sell one, not every day, but every other day. Like, they're huge. They're amazing. And this is what the steamer looks like right here. You can cook anything in the microwave in less time. Truly awesome. So do you guys have any questions? I don't want to talk too much for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, because as I said, I don't know if I said it in this video or my previous one, sorry, but most people that are on my team, or I would say everybody, actually, sorry, except maybe 2 people that are on my Epicure team, I have not met in person. They are all online. So if you're thinking, well, Andrea, I don't even know you, why should I sign up with you? You just should, because we have an amazing team. It is all pretty much online. We meet online all the time. We have our own like private chat on Facebook. I'm just always happy to help, and so is everybody else in our team. So you do not have to look for your own images, you know, for like social media. None of that. We have everything for you. We get each other excited. Yeah, you guys. So it's excuse me. I need some water, but of course I don't have any. But check this out, you guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you so much for listening. If you would like to sign up with me, I will leave the link for you guys on the bottom. Send me a message anytime. And thank you guys so much for watching and listening, and I'll see you guys in the next one.